Hello everyone, this is Anil again from 𝐂𝐫𝐚𝐜 and I'm here with a you must know YMK topic for you. If you don't know this, don't go for the NCLEX exam. For example, when you hear in your question you hear that patient has crackles. When you hear crackle, if you don't understand that is pulmonary edema, don't go for NCLEX exam. And how do you manage crackles? It is crackles, right? Crackles can happen with the heart failure, with the left side heart failure or with the fluid overload. And with either of this, the patient has to have immediate diuresis. When you get the fluid out to diuresis, primarily furosemide. If you do not know this, don't go for an exam. Hope everyone enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and support.